As a leader in material solutions for electric vehicles, Henkel is investing across its business to meet the needs of the growing EV market. Our manufacturing facilities play a critical role in ensuring reliable supply within the region. Recently, we doubled the size of our manufacturing site in Brandon, South Dakota, where we invested about $30 million in equipment and facility upgrades in the production of thermal management solutions, a critical technology for EVs. The investment equips our facility to produce thermal management materials at scale to supply up to 1.8 million EVs a year locally for the North American market. Let's head over to Brandon to take a closer look.
Welcome to our newly expanded manufacturing facility in Brandon, South Dakota. At 70,000 square feet, this facility serves as a central North American hub for our EV and battery manufacturing customers. And today, I'd like to give you a look at some of the new equipment and features enabling highly scalable production of our thermal management and adhesive solutions, which play critical roles in the development of high-performing, durable, and safe battery power storage systems. Let's go. Our raw materials warehouse is where it all begins. These critical raw materials are the ingredients to our high-performing thermal management and adhesive solutions. After leaving the warehouse, our raw materials are blended together with the help of new 1,000-liter mixing equipment. The mixers automatically regulate speed, duration, temperature, and more for advanced production efficiency. Using a conveyor, powders are moved to the mixers and are used to enhance thermal conductivity of the material. Once the product mix is complete, samples are sent to our testing lab for rigorous validation analysis through viscosity tests, mixed product testing, adhesive strength testing, and more. After validation, finished material moves to our dispensing station, which features new 1,000-liter dispensers. A hydraulic ram presses the finished goods through the dispense equipment into our drums and pails. And just like that, our solutions are ready to enable advanced battery power storage systems. On behalf of the more than 100 employees here at Brandon, who reflect the pioneering spirit of our global company, thank you for joining me on this tour today. And we look forward to continuing to support the growing EV market.